Welcome to Math Magic, the place where we work together to uncover the magic behind math safely at home. Today's topic is consecutive numbers. By that I mean positive whole numbers that follow each other. For example, 9, 10, and 11. Sometimes they're formally expressed like this. Before we dust off the cobwebs in here and get the gears rolling, let's review multiples. Multiples are whole numbers that can be divided by other whole numbers without a remainder. By the end of this video, I hope you'll agree with me when I say that it's absolutely magical that the sum of any 3 consecutive numbers is a multiple of 3. The sum of any 5 consecutive numbers is a multiple of 5. And perfect squares that are odd numbers are the sum of 2 consecutive numbers. It might seem like a lot of vocabulary, but let's go through some examples together. Here are multiples of 3. You can find them on any hundreds chart or multiplication table. Let's try it with 4, 5, and 6. That sum, 15, is a multiple of 3. Still not convinced? Let's try 17, 18, and 19. That sum, 54, is a multiple of 3. Let's move on to multiples of 5. You can find them on any hundreds chart or multiplication table. And this time, let's try 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. That sum, 60, is a multiple of 5. Still skeptical? Let's try 72, 73, 74, 75, and 76. Feel free to grab a calculator if you'd prefer. I'm going to add the ones, and that gives me 20. And 5 70s gives me 350. So that sum, 370, is a multiple of 5. You have to try this at home. Moving on to perfect squares. You can find them along the diagonal of any hundreds chart. Now remember, we're only focusing on the odd perfect squares. Let's look at 49. It's the sum of 24 and 25. How about something a little larger? 169 is a perfect square. It's the sum of 84 and 85. Here's a hundreds chart that goes into the thousands. The perfect squares are along that diagonal. And I dare you to try some of the larger numbers, like 625. I guarantee it works all the time. Isn't math magical? Until next time, this is Math Magic.